It was honored to be asked to make a wedding veil for a bride. It was a special and meaningful occasion, and I was grateful to be a part of it. Creating something so important and symbolic for such a special day was true privilege.
Even when my questions even if I fall apart, even when the lights go out, you will always have my heart. Even when my questions even if I fall apart. the days